Welcome to part 3 of the video, third video or whichever way you want to call. The third video we'll be discussing about three components. First is the US 10-year Treasury yield, then Brent and NYMEX. As I explained in every video, the Brent and NYMEX, though they are two different components, the movements are identical and similar. Hence, it will be very easy for you to understand the technical aspect of it. First, the US 10-year Treasury yield. US 10-year Treasury yield, what is the levels? We will see that levels first before we go into that. US 10-year Treasury yield 4.177. So it closed 3.8% up this week and it is up 8% this year, calendar year, and this month also. So US 10-year Treasury yield, what happened? If you recollect, I had said that last week it was holding the 50-week simple moving average and the 50-week exponential moving average that was holding. It went below that, formed a long leg and formed a red candle, but managed to close above that. Now what happened? It is nicely taking support and bouncing off from there, and it formed this week a solid green candle taking the price up. And in the monthly chart, as I have explained last month itself, it has formed an inverted hammer after significant down in 2 months, it had formed an inverted hammer in January, which is a reversal candle. I had said that as expected, it has formed a typical morning star type candle, I would call a solid green candle in the month till now. Of course, the month is yet to be over. So it is on a strong wicket, and it is only below the 100-day simple moving average, but above all the SMAs and EMAs in all time frames. So that means you can see that how strong it is. Now let's go to Brent and NYMEX. Brent closed at 82.19. 6.3% up, while NYMEX closed at 76.84, 6.3% up this week. Overall, it is up 6.7 and 7.2% respectively. So what happened? If you recollect, last week it formed a solid red candle, bearish engulf, but this week it followed it up with a nice solid counter-attack candle. You can call it a piercing pattern type candle, solid green candle, well into the body of the previous red candle. So obviously it has taken support at the 200 week simple moving average, which we have been telling for many days. The 200 week simple moving average is a very strong support for both Brent and NYMEX. It is both for Brent. As far as the month is concerned, it has formed a spinning top type candle till now, and in the daily chart it is on a significant up move. So what is the levels that it is facing resistance? While Brent is above the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average, 200-day simple moving average and 100-day exponential average, but just below the 100-day simple moving average and 200-day exponential moving average. NYMEX in the daily chart, it is above the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average, and also the 100-day exponential moving average, but below 100-day simple moving average and 200-day simple moving average and 200-day exponential moving average. So that's the only level. The 200-day is going to act as a very strong resistance. Brent, in the case of weekly, it's above the 50-week, 200-week simple moving average and also the 200-week exponential moving average, but below the 100-week simple moving average and 50-week exponential moving average and 100-week exponential moving average. NYMEX, on the other hand, is above the 200-week moving average. As I have explained, the 200-week was acting as a very strong support. 200-week simple moving average and exponential moving average, but below the 50-week simple moving average and exponential moving average, and also the 100-week simple moving average and exponential moving average. Hence, these are the levels that it is operating with. 200-week is acting as a strong support, while the 50 and 100-week, which is 100-week, which is above, is acting as a resistance. So overall, it is in the monthly chart, it is above all in the monthly charts as far as monthly is concerned. So hence, like, it has managed to close above the 50-month, which was acting as a very strong support. From there it bounced. So it has good support there, and hence it is taking support and bouncing off nicely. So overall, the way it is appearing that Brent and NYMEX is poised for a significant up move if the key levels are taken out decisively. So if that happens, that's not a good sign for oil importing countries like our country India. However, the technical analysis tells what it is. Thank you very much.